Hello, precious. Hello, precious. Hello, precious Eliza. Precious bird. Are you going upstairs with your mummy and daddy, my giant, and Tim Tam? Are you going up with your husband? Your husband Isaac? You going up with Isaac? Don't know, we'll have to see. You're beautiful bird. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You haven't got a goog though. You won't be having any googs. Oh, you can have googs, but you can't have any babies. So you can just have your googs. Alright? Okay, precious. Alright. You're beautiful. My beautiful Eliza. You're not my number one, Liz. But you're lovely, Liza. You're lovely, Liza. Nice, Liza. You're nice, Liza. Beautiful, Liza. You're not my black and white Eliza, my beautiful Liza and Elijah. But I still love you. Mummy still loves you. You're beautiful, Eliza. You're beautiful, Eliza. We thought you were an Isaac, but you turned out not to be an Isaac, so we called you Eliza. Here, precious. Here, precious. Here, our precious. Here, darling. There, precious. Good bird. Good bird. Very, very fine. Very fine bird. Where's that husband of yours? Up to no good. Where's that Isaac? Up to no good, that Isaac? Is he up to no good, that Isaac? Probably. Probably. Husband up to no good. Good bird. Good bird. Isaac, where are you, Isaac? Here, Isaac. Here, Isaac. Here's Isaac. Here's Isaac. There, Isaac. What are you doing there, Isaac? Are you being naughty? You to be naughty, Isaac? You being naughty? You a bit of a cooer, Isaac? You cooer, Isaac? You're a good boy. You're a good boy, Isaac. We thought you were an Eliza. There you are. Don't you get stropless. Don't get stropless with the little ones, otherwise you'll be going upstairs. As long as you're nice and quiet, leave them alone. There, Isaac. Good boy, Isaac. Okay. See you later, darling.